So paying at Lowe's with your Affirm is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your Affirm account to pay at Lowe's. So as you guys can see, I'm at their website. What you have to do is you simply have to select the products that you want to buy. After selecting all of the products, you need to add them into the cart, obviously. And I suppose I will go to the appliances section, and it will just load in a few seconds. And there you go. So suppose if I go to refrigerator, I'm just gonna do this add to cart. So what it will do is it will add this to the cart. So after adding all of the things that you want to buy to the cart, you have to go to your cart, obviously, and in your cart you have to click on this start secure checkout. What it will do is it will take you to your checkout page. Now here, after filling all of these information at the payment section, you simply have to add your Affirm's account. But if they do not allow you for the Affirm account, you just simply have to get a virtual card. So how to get a Affirm's virtual card? You just need to create one. So for that, you have to open up your Affirm's application. You have to tap on this search bar and type in Solistic. And there you have to tap on this pay with a one-time use virtual card. Enter the amount that you want to add into your virtual card, and your virtual card will be there. And then you can use this virtual card as a normal credit card to pay for anything at Lowe's. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.